Let me share with you how to make a truly delicious bamboo shoot stir-fried. This dish combines wonderful textures and a savory, spicy flavor that makes it the perfect companion to a warm bowl of steamed rice. Start with fresh, tender bamboo shoot tips. Rinse them thoroughly under cool water to ensure they are clean. Then, using a sharp knife, slice them into thin, even pieces. This helps them cook quickly and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Take about 200 grams of lean pork from the front leg, slice it into thin, bite-sized strips. This cut of meat is perfect for stir-frying as it becomes tender and flavorful. Place a wok or a large pan over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced pork. Stir-fry it quickly until it is no longer pink and has turned a light cooked color. This should only take a minute or two. Once the pork is cooked, add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of cooking wine to the wok. The wine will add depth while the soy sauce provides a savory base. Toast everything together for a few seconds. Now, add a good handful of sliced green and red chilies. They will bring a lovely color and a gentle heat. Also, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic for a beautiful fragrance. Finally, add all of your sliced bamboo shoots to the wok. Continue to stir fry everything over high heat for about 1 full minute. This allows the bamboo shoots to warm through and start to soak up the flavors from the pork and seasonings. It is time for the final flavor boost. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. The oyster sauce will give the dish a rich, savory depth. Stir fry everything together for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. Make sure every piece of pork and bamboo shoot is evenly coated in the rosy, fragrant sauce. Your stir fry is ready. Serve it immediately. The bamboo shoots will be wonderfully crisp tender. The pork will be savory and the sauce will be a perfect blend of spicy and rich. It is an incredibly satisfying and delicious meal that is sure to become a favorite.